I'm enjoying my scotch egg now. As you can see, this is the one I just finished frying. Oh my god, it's so delicious. Mm. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mobile Foodies. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to make scotch egg. People have been asking me, please do scotch egg, make a video on scotch egg. So I want to make a video today on scotch egg, and it's going to be the easiest scotch egg you have ever seen. So I have my recipe here. I'm using chicken flank. I'm using chicken breast. It's well mixed, blended. So this is how it is. You can as well use sausage, pork meat. Okay. So I have the chicken flank here. I have 2 eggs. It's beaten already. This is the breadcrumbs that I have. I have 5 eggs, salt, part of the breadcrumbs, and you're going to see what I'm going to use it for. This is the chicken flank. I have to set some aside. I have my flour. So I have paprika. This is onions powder, turmeric, curry, and thyme. So you are going to see what I'm going to do now. First of all, I will add the breadcrumbs into the chicken flank. So I'll add it this way. Set aside. Add a pinch of salt. A little paprika to spice up the chicken. Onions powder. Thyme. Curry powder. It's like half a teaspoon. A pinch of turmeric. Then I'll add 2 tablespoons of flour. Then I'll mix it. Make sure you wash your hands. I wash my hands thoroughly well. So I'm going to mix it very well till it's well combined. I'll finish mixing it. So I want to roll the egg now. This is how you have to align the plate. So I'll dust my palms with flour. Then I'll cut some. Place it this way. Make sure it's not sticky to your hands because it's sticky. Make sure that there's no water on the egg. The egg is well dried. Then fold it gently. Fold it gently. Remember, it's chicken flank. It's not 100% flour. So you have to roll it gently. Make sure that it's well covered. Push it up. Make sure it's well sealed so that as you are frying it will not open up. Roll it this way. Put it back here and roll. Roll it to cover everywhere. Then place it inside the egg. Take it out from the egg. Put it here inside the breadcrumbs. Then roll it back. Make sure it's well coated. Then I place it here. Show you the next one. Then the rest, I'm going to make it off camera. Press it. Mold it as if you are molding a pot, clay pot. For people that know how to mold the pot, gently press it up. If your hand is very sticky, touch it with flour. As you can see, it's coming out very well. Then place it here. Very important. Roll it back. Gently. Make sure it's well coated. In Nigeria, you can sell this for 1,500. Roll it back. Make sure it's well coated. The second one are the Scotch egg. I finished rolling all of them. As you can see, it's well tightened. It cannot open up when I want to fry it. So I want to fry it now. Let me show you guys the oil. This is what I'm using. Oil that is free from cholesterol, as you can see. So now the oil has to be 3 inches deep. I'm using a smaller pot, saucepan, so that I'll be able to conserve the oil because the eggs are not much. So I'll allow the oil to be very hot, like medium hot. It will not be too high, so that I'll be able to fry it well. You have to fry it so that it will be done. So I will leave the oil to hot, then I will place the Scotch egg. So I have to still dust my hand and roll it back. Make sure you roll it back if you want to have a good result. Roll it back to its original shape. Then I'll place it this way. I'll place it inside the oil. Very easy. The easiest Scotch egg. So I want to remove it now. It depends on the color you want. This is how I want my own to be. Golden brown. This is chicken flank that I just cut and fry it for myself. So I want to remove the last batch now. Make sure you reshape it. Let it have the original shape. Very easy to do. Don't tell me that it's difficult, because it is not. Look at this one that I just removed now. Hello everyone, this is the outcome of my Scotch egg. It came out so well. I want you to taste this, but how are you going to taste when you're not with me? As you can see, it doesn't have any crack. Came out perfectly well. So I'm going to cut one now. Let me cut this big one. Wow, this is how it is. It is well done, both the inside and the outside. So please subscribe to my channel. Don't just watch and go. Watch and stay. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.